A lot of us who are non-US citizens from time to time will get an email from PayPal asking for tax information. If you're a US citizen, it's pretty straightforward. You just provide your tax information and fill out that form. But if you're not a US citizen, most of us are scared because we don't know what to do. We don't know if we're going to get penalized if we fill the form wrong. We don't even know what to fill. But I'm going to clear all of that fear for you today. So basically, when you get that email and you click on it, you're going to get something looking like what you have on your screen right now. You're going to see a form that says confirm your US taxpayer status. So because you receive payment for goods and services through PayPal, you need to verify your US tax status. This also lets us know that this is something that's very common. I don't know for personal accounts, but this is very common if you have a business PayPal account. But the most important thing for non-US citizens is to select the option where it says, is the account holder a US entity, a US citizen, or US person under US tax law? Just simply answer this question truthfully, which is no. Because if you say yes, you might have to provide more information proving that you are a US citizen, which you would most likely not have. Yes, so you want to say no, and then go ahead on to fill out your name and your last name and your business type and your country of residence. And this is also where it gets tricky as well when it comes to country of residence. But what you want to typically do here is provide the country that you filled out when you were creating your PayPal account. Now, I show you guys some methods to create PayPal accounts here on the channel, and there are basically two methods that you can get an account in a different country. I showed you guys where you can use your country and say that I'm a Nigerian and then create something like a UAE PayPal account. Another method is when you have someone who is maybe in the US or in the UAE or in the UK or any other country create the account for you using their documents in that particular country. So now you have to, in this particular box, now you have to provide that country that you provided when you initially created that PayPal account. And then you want to finally check this box that says by clicking submit, and under penalties of perjury, I certify that all of this, the payer providing the certification is not a US citizen, and all of that. And then finally sign the document by entering your first name and your last name, and then you click on submit. Now after you do this, a lot of people really have concerns that maybe this is going to cause my account to be shut down, maybe if I provide that it's a Nigerian account. For me, the method I show you guys, I have filled this form out twice actually now, and I filled the form out and I provided my details. Since I created my account saying that I am in Nigeria, I also provided Nigeria in this tax form, and I have not had any issues with my account. So there's actually nothing to be afraid of. Just fill out the form and submit it. Another thing to think about is, even if you don't fill out this form, you are not going to get away with it. If PayPal is going to block your account, whether or not you fill the form, they are going to block your account. So but really there's nothing to be worried about. Thank you guys for watching this video, and you want to see this one next. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.